Let me show you all game turbo settings available on POCO X8 Pro Max. So once you start playing a game, you should be able to easily open the game turbo panel. And in here, we should be able to find a couple of quite useful options. For example, over here, we can switch from balanced mode to the wild boost mode, which allows you to get even better performance out of your phone. Of course, as a result, the device may heat up, so this is something that you need to keep in mind. And besides that, we can also go to the performance option over here, the performance settings, where we can find enhanced visuals, enhanced touch controls, and network speed boost option. We have the option to clear memory, so of course if you can free up memory, free up RAM, then technically that should improve the performance of the phone as well. So if you notice that there are some performance issues, you might want to clear the memory. We have the voice changer, so you can change your voice. You actually need to grant some permissions in order to be able to use it, but there we go. Over here you can change your voice if you use the voice chat in games. Besides that, we have timer, D&D mode, screenshot, and screen recording. We can also jump to settings, which I'm gonna do in a second. We have the casting option as well, so you can screencast. We have Wi-Fi option. There is also the option to switch to a different SIM if you have two SIMs active on your phone. In my case, I don't have it in here because I don't have two SIMs. There's also the brightness option, so you can lock the brightness, I believe, or change the brightness. And we have on-screen commentary, I believe. And yeah, and besides that, of course, we should be able to jump to the settings, as I mentioned, where we can just completely enable or disable game turbo over here. And also, if we go to performance, then we should be able to find, for example, the performance mode in here, where we have some settings for the performance mode. We can find performance optimization in here, memory exceptions, MI Wi-Fi speed boost, and lower screen brightness automatically option, and game D&D settings. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.